Hey there! For today's activity, we'll be working on shapes together. Let's try identifying our shapes and coloring them in. This says to find the star. Which one is the star? This one. Let's color it in with an orange pencil. This says rectangle. Which one is a rectangle? This one. Let's color it in with a blue pencil. This says circle. Which one is the circle? This one. Let's color it in with a green pencil. This says square. Which one is the square? This one. Let's color it in with a red pencil. This says oval. Which one is an oval? This one. Let's color it in with a purple pencil. And the last one says triangle. Which one is a triangle? This one. Let's color it in with a pink pencil. We're all done identifying the shapes. Very good work, everyone. I hope that you'll join me for the next activity where we'll do a shape quilt.